Hello, my name is Dr. Njeri Gitau. I'm a medical doctor, public health specialist in global health system strengthening. I'm a faculty from Strathmore University, Institute of Healthcare Management, and I'm the course director and the delegation lead for the Kenyan delegation that has come to visit AMTZ. This is the second time that we're here. And the course is called Advanced Healthcare Management Program, which targets senior leaders in the health sector across Africa who are working both in the public and private sector. So basically, we immerse them in experiential learning within the 6 health system strengthening building blocks. And one of the modules is an international module where we partner with Strathmore University in North India, Chandigarh, and we bring them to India to immerse them into the healthcare system within India, looking at various blocks of the healthcare system. And we know that technology is what is driving change. Technology is driving accessibility. Technology is reducing the cost of healthcare. And AMTZ stands out as one of the MedTech innovation hubs in the world. And this is our second time here. We came here last year, 2024, and in 2025 we're back. And I'm sure we'll be back again because the learnings, the linkages, seeing how Kenya, both public and private sector, can partner with Indian MedTech innovators. We find this as a very, very important thing. So one of the main takeaways from this visit really is the innovation that's happening, the incubation that's happening. I can say just with this afternoon that we have spent here, 3 of my students have already told me they're very interested in coming back and partner and talking to AMTZ coordinators and to see how best some of their ideas can be incubated. So that's what we want to encourage, that excitement, that innovation, that willingness to create change, not only for Africans, but for other people who are living in the low middle income countries where we should be the drivers of change, and AMTZ is at the beginning of that, is at the lead of that. And we really appreciate this opportunity. Thank you.